to Cooking with Mom, your go-to place for fun, healthy, and easy recipes.
Hi friends, my name is Lily, and I am 7 years old.
And I am her mom. My name is Barbara.
And I am Tofu, always ready to eat some yummy food.
I am really curious. What are we preparing today, Mommy?
Today, Lily, we are making rainbow fruit skewers.
So many colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple.
I can't wait to get started, Mom.
First, we wash, Lily.
That's right, Tofu. It's very important to always wash your fruits and vegetables to remove dirt and harmful residue.
Did you know, Lily, that fruits are full of superpowers? Let's learn something about fruits. Kiwi is really good for your tummy and bones and is full of vitamin C. Blueberries are full of super antioxidants. Bananas have potassium, which is really good for your muscles and also give you energy and help your heart.
Are you all ready? Let's build our rainbow fruit.
First strawberries, Mommy.
That's very brave, Lily. Should I give you a banana now?
Oh no, Mommy! The banana is upside down!
Don't worry, Lily. You can try again.
Look, Lily, your rainbow skewer is starting to grow. Red, orange, yellow, green, purple, blue.
You did it, Lily.
Yes, Mommy! Look at my rainbow!
Here are our rainbow fruit snacks.
It is so sweet and juicy, Tofu.
That's a fruit-tastic victory, Lily.
Now it's your turn. What fruit would you like to put on your rainbow skewer?
Let's remember all we are going to need. We will need a kiwi
And a banana.
Some grapes.
and some oranges
And strawberries.
and blueberries, Lily.
We will also need some wooden skewers, better with a round tip, so we won't get hurt. Remember, everyone, it's always best to prepare recipes with an adult. That way, if you need help, they can assist you right away.
Thanks for cooking with us.
We hope you enjoyed it. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you want to see more of healthy, fun, fantastic plant-based recipes with us.
See you next time.